Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to change your WhatsApp notification sound on your iPhone. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Next, look for the Settings tab. It's usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. Now once you're in the Settings, scroll down just a bit until you find the Notifications option. Tap on that to access the notification settings. Okay, now you'll see a list of different notification types you can customize. At the very top, you'll find the settings for individual message notifications. Tap on Sounds under that section. Here's where the fun begins. You can now choose from a variety of different notification sounds. For this example, let's say I want to choose the Aurora sound. Just tap on it, and you'll get a preview of what it sounds like. Once you've found the perfect sound for your individual messages, click Save in the top right corner of the screen. And just like that, you've successfully changed your individual notification sound. But wait, there's more. You can also customize the notification sounds for your group chats. Just look for the Sounds option underneath the Group Notifications section. Again, simply choose a notification sound you like. Let's pick another one, and once you've made your selection, tap Save in the top right corner. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your notification sounds for both individual messages and group chats. You can now go back to using WhatsApp as you normally would, enjoying your new notification sounds. So that's how you change your WhatsApp notification sound on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.